And we're back with the same part 3. I think we're gonna have like seven parts to this. 7 parts is my guess. What's yours?
Probably 6.
What's yours?
3.
Hi, well we're back with the part 3.
That sounds like crap.
Yeah, one needs to have some like oiled. Okay, dude, my viewers aren't gonna be able to. They're not wanting to listen to you trying to grind this crap. Here you go, photographer. I'm my slave for a day.
Okay, here's ready, you little big, medium bacon bits, whatever.
Yeah, if you guys called you bacon bits, I told him to call you bacon bits. Now you guys are gonna be called guys, okay? Even if women listen to this.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen.
No,
it's called dudes and dudettes.
Is it okay if you don't get to ride this thing?
Yeah, I'm fine.
I'll after I'm done riding, I'll let you ride maybe.
Dude, in the big mud pile down there, dude, one time I did like this big drift, it just started splashing crap up.
I want to see how he rides without his eyes watering. My eyes water like crap.
Yeah, I know, right?
Like, I came down that hill and I wasn't even...
Yeah. Show off!
Whoa! Chicken.
So I'm pretty sure I gave the photographer a scare. Did I? Oh, sure. Did I give you a scare?
Not really.
Yeah, right. Look at you, freaking non-watery eyes. It's like you have something in your freaking eyeball. It's called contact. I knew it. I was telling Joel that. You didn't believe me. I don't have contact. Safe? No contact.
Boy.
He's gotta adjust to it. Yeah, I'm not like you.
So,
I'm gonna win! I'm gonna win the ticket! I'm gonna win! I won!
Alright, well, what's to say?
Got my Chico money! He got my freaking
No money!
Ha ha ha! Jeans muddy, dude. The one spot is like perfect. Look, I'm wearing heart socks. So manly. Oh crap! My gun's inside. Oh. Let's go get it. Show him the gun.
I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. I will never get this money again. I'll pay for a brand new.
Get off!
Okay.
Get on!
You getting on or no?
Get on! Get off!
Here, get on, Chris.
Get away!
How did you get on, man? Here, I'll take it. Get on. He's getting on. He's wanting me to get the camera.
You getting on?
Yeah.
Want to get on? Yes or no? I don't care.
Get on.
Why? 3, 2.
Alright, that means he wants to get on. He wants to get on.
Hey, Chris, you better get done fast, bro.
He's got a gun. Dude, I can't. Dude, you gotta go. I'm gonna go all the way up that hill.
Go.
Yeah. I'll be
Fast or die.
fast or die. Fast or die.
Miss.
Crap. You were actually aiming for him?
No.
Okay. Alright, well, he's got the red ride. He's down there trying to drive the thing.
There's your proof that it has some bullets.
Yeah, I know. There's my proof.
Look.
Show off. Riding. I love how this makes it seem like he's like, you have the biggest piece of land. Seagull, you have like a little piece of land, but it looks like you have a big piece.
Oh, yeah.
He screwed it up, dude. Let's go! He's stuck, isn't he? You gotta beat the bullet! Alright, well there he is. I think I'm just here.
Guys, let's play a game of Beat the Bullet.
Beat the bullet!
Chris! We're playing a little game! We're playing a little game called Beat the Bullet! What?
Go get your sniper! No, we'll use your sniper!
We're playing a game, it's called Beat the Bullet! You better get going!
Alright, dude, you screwed it up. Alright, dude, go get your sniper.
Dude, can you go get it? It's in my room.
Here.
Or no, wait.
Here, alright, wait. Part 4. We gotta do part 4. Press that button, then press it again.